Walking is more than just a simple daily activity. For many seniors, it can be a powerful tool to improve health, boost mood, and extend longevity. But how far should we walk every day to truly benefit our hearts, minds, and bodies? Today, we will explore practical advice and insights on walking for longevity, tailored specifically for those over 50. Walking helps the heart by improving circulation, lowering blood pressure, and strengthening the cardiovascular system. Even a modest distance walked regularly can reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other chronic conditions. What matters most is consistency, not speed or distance. Walking daily, even in short intervals, can accumulate into significant health benefits over time. For seniors, it is recommended to aim for about 30 minutes of walking most days of the week. You can break this into smaller sessions. For instance, 3 10-minute walks throughout the day. The key is to stay active without overexertion. Listen to your body and adjust the pace to feel comfortable while still challenging yourself just a little. Walking also improves mental health. Research shows that even light walking releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Regular walking can help reduce stress, anxiety, and feelings of depression. Taking a stroll outside, enjoying fresh air, and observing nature can bring a sense of calm and mental clarity, which is essential for seniors who want to maintain cognitive function and emotional well-being. A practical approach is to set achievable goals. For instance, start with a daily goal of 2,000 to 3,000 steps, then gradually increase to 5,000 or more if comfortable. Use a pedometer, smartwatch, or even a simple phone app to track your progress. Celebrating these small milestones can motivate continued activity and foster a sense of accomplishment. Another tip is to vary your walking routine. Walking in different locations, like parks, neighborhood streets, or along a waterfront, adds interest and reduces boredom. Consider walking with friends, family, or a community group. Social interaction during walking not only keeps you engaged, but also provides emotional support, which is very important for seniors' overall well-being. Pay attention to your posture while walking. Stand tall, keep your shoulders relaxed, and swing your arms naturally. Proper posture prevents aches and improves balance, which can lower the risk of falls. Comfortable walking shoes with good support are also crucial for protecting joints and maintaining stamina. Hydration and timing are important too. Walk during cooler parts of the day to avoid overheating, especially in summer. Drink water before and after your walk to stay hydrated. Listening to your body and resting if you feel fatigue is key to making walking a sustainable, lifelong habit. Finally, remember that walking is a journey, not a race. Each step you take contributes to your health, independence, and quality of life. Seniors who commit to regular walking often experience more energy, better sleep, improved mood, and stronger connections with the world around them. The benefits multiply over time, making walking one of the most accessible and effective ways to live a longer, happier life. So, lace up your shoes, take that first step today, and embrace walking as a simple yet powerful habit. Your heart, mind, and spirit will thank you for years to come. And remember, for more tips on healthy living and wellness, make sure to subscribe to Golden Life Wellness